let's start the debate with the number one issue for Democratic voters, health care. And Senator Sanders, let's start with you. You support Medicare for all, which would eventually take private health insurance away from more than 150 million Americans in exchange for government-sponsored health care for everyone. Congressman Delaney just referred to it as political suicide that will just get President Trump reelected. What do you say to Congressman Delaney?
You're wrong. Right now, we have a dysfunctional healthcare system, 87 million uninsured, 500,000 Americans every year going bankrupt because of medical bills, 30,000 people dying while the healthcare industry makes tens of billions of dollars in profit. Healthcare is a human right, not a privilege. I believe that. I will fight for that.
Thank you, Senator Sanders.
To give everyone basic health care for free, and I have a proposal to do it. But we don't have to go around and be the party of subtraction and telling half the country who has private health insurance that their health insurance is illegal. But why do we got to be the party of taking something away from people?
No one is the party.
That's what they're running on. They're running on telling half the country that your health insurance is illegal. It says it right in the bill.
All right, thank
we
you.
don't have to do that. We can give everyone health care.
Let's be clear about this. We are the Democrats. We are not about trying to take away health care from anyone. That's what the Republicans are trying to do. Billionaires are going to pay more. Middle-class families are going to pay less out of pocket for their health care. And I'd like to finish talking about Addie, the guy who has ALS. This isn't funny. This is somebody who has health insurance and is dying. And every month, he has about $9,000 in medical bills that his insurance company won't cover.
Look, in this country, if you don't have health coverage, you're paying too much for care. And if you do have health coverage, you're paying too much for care.
What's your response?
The answer is no. Canada, they guarantee health care to every man, woman, and child as a human right. They spend half of what we spend.
This isn't funny. This is somebody who has health insurance and is dying.
Just to 15 seconds.
And those who have employer-sponsored insurance.
Jake, this is important here. Who's offering a false choice here?
You have some, Governor Bullock, who said that we will improve the Affordable Care Act at the margins with a public option. You have others to my right who are talking about taking away people's choice.
Not at all. You know, it took us decades and false starts to get the Affordable Care Act. So let's actually build on it. A public option, allowing anyone to buy in.
I think we're being offered a false choice.
I was called a street fighter from the Iron Range by my opponent. And when she said it, I said, thank you. We need the public option. That's what Barack Obama wanted, and it would bring healthcare costs down for everyone.
Meanwhile, Donald Trump is your president, and he made healthcare the first thing that he would tackle.
Just think about what we can accomplish in the first 100 days. We're going to have the biggest tax cut, the American Infrastructure Act, Restoring Community Safety Act, the Repeal and Replace Obamacare Act.
And none of it is actually going to get done.
And it didn't get done. He tried twice, but the problem is he's incompetent or doesn't actually care.
Very sick man.
President Trump could literally cure cancer, and the left in this country and the media would still never give him credit. They hate him that much.
The last thing Trump's going to do is cure cancer. He's not even going to fix health care. We hate Donald Trump because he is cancer.